M. This is the M book. M will have a sound, sometimes a m sound. Okay, Okay. So M. Marble. Monkey. Mop. Mouse. Okay, O use owl. M is for marble. Marble. M is for monkey. Monkey. M is for mop. Mop. M is for mouse. Mouse.